Yo, what's up, guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Today we've got a very big, huge box here from DLK Hobby, and this is the Streptopelia. I love the name. It sounds like bacteria and pedophilia, something like that. So there we go. We got this very huge and heavy box from the company, and I bought it from Hobby Wang in Shopee Philippines for 2,600 pesos, something like that. So this is very big, very huge, as you can see. There we got the kind of drawing here. It's like the blueprint, and here we got the other picture, the front box. We got this Gundam seed-like pose, something like that. So there we go. Let's check this kit and let's see if it worked collecting. So hangin biranos kits. So there, the box is really huge. So I'm holding my tripod here. There we can see the box art here. It looks like a Gundam. Again, of course, this is Chinese product. They like copying the Gundam vibes. And the pose looks like a Gundam seed pose. And we got here this Vifins, or fin funnels rather. So this is the air concept of the fin funnel thing. Okay, and for the appearance of the legs, it looks like, or it has similarity with the Falcon, the SNAA Falcon, as I can assess. Okay, so that's how I observe it. So the other side of the box, by the way, let's check the company first. It's the ZAW and DLK Hobby. Okay. ZAW-X DLK Hobby. And the name is Streptopelia. Sounds like bacteria and pedophilia, something like that. Okay, so there we go. Product display, we got the front view. The front view is really nice. I really like the silhouette of the kit, and the color combination is really cool also. The gray, white, and this dark blue with yellow and green all perfectly fits, and it looks more realistic and more sleek. And for the weapons, we got tons of armaments here. We got this big gun, this rifle, and the fin funnels, and we can choose which type of head we'll be using. Okay, I think so. There we go. More slide decals included for this kit. So there, and we got the posing here. We got action-based stand as well. On the other side of the box, this box is really heavy, to be honest. That's why I cannot lift it well, and my cell phone screen is not that large. So there we go. We got this blueprint here. It says Streptopelia, like that, and the ZAW-S01 project. Yes, that one, ZAW-S01 project. And the other side here, oops, we can see the multi-layered skeleton. So we got this first core frame, then the added frame, added details, and the armor plates. So we got the core, added detail, and the armor plates there. And so we got this kind of pose where this fin funnels can appear floating behind him, and there, everything is fine. So let's open the box. Okay, we open the box here, just very heavy. There we go. It's the box here. Let's find first the instruction manual. So the instruction manual is basically underneath, and there we go. We got this very magazine-like looking manual. There we go. We got the picture, same from the box art, and at the back we got this Chinese text, and you can scan this one to see their Weibo and Facebook. So there we go. We got the parts list. So it has so many parts on this kit. Maybe it will take me days to finish this shit because of so many parts included. Okay, so we got the basic frame. So this is the core frame. So we got the leg frame to be built first, followed by the chest frame, the waist frame. So this is consequential or sequential build, so like that. Then we got the leg frame second layer. So this is how you apply those second layer bits. Then okay, so chest frame. So this is very nice. This is organized. I much like this style of representation for this kit. So there we got the leg armor, the armor pieces to be applied next. So it's very, very informational, and it will prevent builders from being confused in terms of building this shit. Okay, too much for that. Let's go with the actual kits. So by the way, we got here the action base stand for this kit, and how to attach all those shit at the back of the kit. Okay, and how I noticed we got here, this unit is compatible with the L80 Dragon Sword. So what is this Dragon Sword? Shadow Cloak. So these are all the products. I don't know. Units compatible with the Ragnarok Fighter. I think this one from the Gundam. Yeah, I think this is from the Gundam, or I don't know. This is a Gundam bootleg backpacks. I think this is, yes, maybe. Let's just search. This one for the Astray, if I'm not mistaken. The Dragon Sword. And I don't know, this Shadow Cloak here. Maybe this for the Astray as well. And this one, Ragnarok. I heard it from the Astray or whatsoever. Just correct me if I'm wrong. Please comment in the comment section. So these are all compatible because of the peg that is being shown there. Okay, so we'll go with the parts now. So we got this parts here, and it's being wrapped the way Bandai wrapped this their product. There we go. We got gray parts, yellow or green parts, and silver parts, and out gray parts. There are so many parts here, so many things happening with this kit. Okay. So there, got this parts here, parts there, parts everywhere, fucking parts everywhere. That. And let's just focus with the decal here. So this is a separate decal. I think this one is being sold separately, but since this kit is having its own kit or having its own product, they included this water slide decal here. So maybe if you lost this, you can buy another set for this. And we got this foil stickers, green stickers, and this kind of perfectly fine logos included. Okay, let's go with the other packs. We got this action base stand packs here, action base stand. So I might not use those action base. So I hate using action base, to be honest. So I will remove it. Then we got this clear parts for the floating effects, which is I'm not a fan as well. There we go. We got those parts included. So I might not use this part. And we got those. We got clear parts and the white parts here. So I think this one is the bonus. If you like to use clear parts, you can do so, but if you want this white parts, you might use this as well. I don't know if I got a hard time choosing with this. I think I might use the basic one, the white, compared with the clear, but I also like to use the clear just to get rid of the traditional white parts. I don't know, help me decide. And we got this gun parts here and yellow parts there, and here we got this blue parts, gray parts for the gun. The gun is really cool. You can see the details there. The mold details is really the best. Yeah, it is the best. And we got this white parts, and finally we got this gray parts here. So I will not discuss one by one all those parts here. I might just use to open one pack here just to check the plastic quality. So let's open this one, and there we go. Let's open this V runner. So the plastic, as I can assess, is really nice. This is some are undergated, some are not. Okay, so this is for the inner frame. The plastic is hard. It's not the same with the Bandai quality, but this is the quality is same with the other Chinese products that has this sturdy frame, and I think this one is really cool. But I need to sand, maybe I need to sand some pegs because this looks tight and might cause some fitting issues in the long run. Okay, so the plastic quality is good, maybe, I hope. And there, it's very sturdy. So this is the review of the DLK hobby for the Streptopelia model kit. So wait for the final review and see you next time. See you next time on the finished build. So there we go with the first layer of skeletal frame for the kit, and there we go. This is very nice, and I didn't find any fitting issues, which is a good sign that this kit is a good kit in terms of build quality and experience. Okay, so let's go with the articulation. So I didn't encounter any resistance in the joints whenever I apply those. So let's go with the upper body. So there we got here a nice ab crunch for the torso, then a side to side twist here, there on the torso. For the arms, there can rotate 360 degrees, can raise up to this far. Also the shoulder here can raise up to that far, and the upper arm can rotate 360 degrees. As you can see, this doesn't have any tightness or extravagant tightness and resistant. So I'm twisting it with minimal force. Okay, so there we got here on the elbow a joint, double joint bend. Okay, so there we got hinges there and piston, something like that. 180-degree bend there. Okay, and for the legs or the torso, you can rotate 360 degrees. Okay, for the legs, it can kick forward, kick backward without that force. Okay, forward, backward, and can split. There we go. Can split like that. Can split like that. Van Damme split. Okay, nice. And for the upper leg, the thigh, can rotate 360 degrees. And for the knees, it can bend double joint. Okay, there we got this hinges and pistons there. Okay, there, smooth bend without resistance. This is what I like, smooth bend without resistance. And this is very nice kit, I'm saying. This skeletal frame here, the first layer, this is a very nice kit. Okay, so there we got on the feet, can rotate or move side to side, side to side like that. And the feet can rotate 360 degrees. Can this one can have extension, flex, extend, and there, flex, extend like that. Okay. Very nice skeletal here.